After making so many videos, I feel like it's only right to start my video by saying hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel, because I feel like that's what you guys are doing, watching one after the other of my YouTube videos. Anyway, let's go to question 11. It says in quadrilateral, so we don't know that it's a parallelogram. We just know it's a quad, and the only thing we know about a quad is if I add this angle plus this whole angle plus this whole angle plus this whole angle, it should give me 360 degrees. That's all that I know. I don't know any sides are parallel. I don't know any sides are equal. Nothing of that sort, okay? It says E1 equals to 62 degrees. Let's fill that in. This part here, 62 degrees. P1 equals 68 degrees. Okay, P2 equals 56 degrees, so this part. And FP equals FN. Okay, let's color code that. FP equals to FN. So those two are equal, right? We don't know anything else. And LE equals LM. Oh, out of focus. LE equals LM. Let's fill that in. LE, this part, let's actually do this. Okay. Let me just recolor code this part. Okay, that's what we know. It first says, we're not calculating anything, we're proving. Now when you're proving something, you need to use the properties that you know and basically work backwards from it. So if it's saying prove LP parallel to MN, let's go. LP, this line, parallel to MN. We basically need to look for co-interior, alternate, or corresponding angles. That's what we need to do. So firstly, let's see what we have and what we can work with. I see a triangle over here. Okay, and if this is a triangle, then I know that this is equal to this because of this being equal to that. Let me write that down. I'm going to say in triangle FBN angle in so I know that this here is 56 degrees. Cool. Let's work out angle F2. Why am I doing that? Let me use another color so I can show you why I'm doing that. In order to prove this line and this line parallel, you can use co-interior, alternate, or corresponding. I'm choosing to use alternate. I'm trying to prove that this angle here is equal to this angle here. If I prove them equal, I know those two sides are parallel. So I need to just figure out what the angle F2 is. So I'm working still in this triangle. F2 plus P2 plus N must equal 180. And the reason for this is some or interior, you could have also said. Okay, F2 we don't know. P2 we know is 56. We already wrote it down. Oh wait, it was given to us. Oh, how did I write 56? N we figured out is 56 as well. So angle F2 wow, 68 degrees. And look there, 68 degrees, 68 degrees. It proves my alternate angle. So I can say angle P is equal to angle F. Therefore, LP parallel to MN. This time do I have to write the parallel lines? No, because I've proven that the lines are parallel. Here we go. So I'm finished with this question. Okay, let's fill the information in that we have and use a different color. I now know that this side is parallel to this side. Okay, because I just proved it. The next question says, prove that LMNP is a parallelogram. Now, how do we prove that something is a parallelogram? You can prove it by saying, one of the ways that you can prove it that are going to help us here is by saying that both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Okay, I will also write down all the other ways that you can prove it. Oh, it's in your textbook as well, but I'll write it out for you guys so you have a note. So the one that we're going to use is that both sides are parallel, meaning that I need to prove this side also parallel to this side. Now, in order to do that, I have to figure out either co-interior angles, corresponding angles, or alternate angles. Now, if I look here, let's turn it this way. Between this line and this line, the only thing that I can use is co-interior angles. Look here, I can only make a U this way or a U this way. I can't do a Z because if I'm stuck there, okay? Or even this way, I'm stuck there, so it doesn't connect to the other point on that line. And I can't use an F because none of these lines are extended. So I can only use the U. So my game plan is to basically figure out that this angle plus this angle over here, let's do 3 lines, must add up to 180 degrees. If it does work out to 180 degrees, then I know that we will have co-interior angles. So that means I need to figure out M1 and M2. Okay, how do I figure out M2? First thing I notice, we already proved this one parallel, so M2 is 62 degrees. Let's fill that in. This time do I have to state that the sides are parallel? Yes, because we're using the fact that they're parallel to get the alternate angles. Okay, then I'm going to say in triangle LEM, angle M1 equals angle E1. I'm going to show you. Angle M1 equals angle E1. How do I know this? Because both of them are the angles opposite equal sides. Remember we said this side here equals to the side here. They gave it to us here. Right? So, angles right. If I say L plus E1 plus M1, it should give me 180 degrees. The reason for this is sum of angles in triangle, interior angles of triangle, right? Angle L, I don't have it. Oh, hold on 1 second. Oh no, we're figuring it out. Sorry, lost my train of thought. Angle E1 is 62 degrees because they equal. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. 62 degrees, 62 degrees. Plus 62 degrees. I don't have to write the whole calculation, we can work it out. Okay, so this here is 56 degrees. So now I'm going to basically do, let's use a blue so you guys can see. I'm basically going to prove that this here adds up. No, not this way. Oh, made a mistake. Wow, silly mistakes happening now. I'm going to prove this way. Adds up to 180 degrees. So that means I'm adding this plus this plus this to give me 180 degrees. Let's do that. Angle L plus angle B is equal to 56 degrees plus angle P is made up of 68 plus 56. Okay, and now we're going to add this up. Wow, look at that, 180 degrees. Therefore, this line here, LM, is parallel to this line here, PN. And the reason for this, co-interior angles. There we go. Now, because this side here, oh, let me just bring a page down. Because this side here is parallel to this side here, and this one is parallel to this one, we can say it's a parallelogram. So our final conclusion, therefore LMNP and the reason for this is and we are done.